So I'm sure you've seen these style of videos. It's really big in the dancing community. You legit can do this in a couple hours and it's so easy. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so starting out in Procreate, what you're gonna need is every frame by frame exported out as a JPEG. And that way you're just gonna copy and paste from your photos into Procreate and then go back to your photos, copy the next frame, paste it into Procreate, and then you just do the same thing over and over and over again until you get the amount of frames that you wanna draw on. So now that I've got all the frames of Donovan Mitchell on there that I want to draw on, I'm going to change the very background color to black. That way it's easier to see my line drawings that I'm going to create. So I'm going to take off the animation assist. That way there's no blur when I'm drawing, and I'm just going to use the layer function on the right. So you want to create blank layers in between each frame photo. So you can see there's a photo of Donovan Mitchell, then there's a blank frame, and there's another one of Donovan Mitchell, and there's another blank frame. You're going to be drawing on the blank frames. So you can see I turned off the visibility on all the frames above the frame I'm drawing on, so that way I can just see the one frame of Donovan. And now I'm literally just gonna get my pen tool, I'm using the calligraphy brush, and I'm gonna draw around his jersey. So after I finish my first frame, I'm gonna turn on the visibility of the next Donovan Mitchell layer, and then on the frame above it, frame 24, the blank one, I'm now gonna draw the new frame of his jersey. The process is really tedious and it takes a while, but you don't have to draw perfect lines, but remember, the better you draw the lines, the better the animation is gonna look in the end. So I've gone through all the layers and drawn different jerseys on each frame, just tracing his jersey in each picture. And now I'm going to turn off all the frames or the layers of Donovan Mitchell. And I'm going to go to the little tools section, click on canvas, and then turn on the animation assist. And then go to the very bottom and just hit play. And you can kind of see the jersey coming to life now when you go through it. So instead of clicking all the layers off, I decided just to start at the very top. And so now I'm gonna draw on that top blank frame, and I'm gonna draw in his shorts. So I'm following the steps I did on the jersey, and I'm just drawing on the blank layer, adding his shorts in red, and I'm just using the layer below of Donovan Mitchell as reference to trace. So now I'm gonna hide all of the layers of Donovan Mitchell, and then I'm gonna go back into that animation assist and click play and kind of see it coming to life. I'm gonna speed through these next couple steps of drawing in the arms and legs and the hair and the basketball, since it's just the same exact steps I did for the jersey and the shorts. So there you have it. If you hide all the layers of Donovan Mitchell and it's just the animation, you can go to the file export and export your animation as a MP4 file. And then it's good to go. Thanks for joining in. It's super easy. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video. I want to do a ton more like this. So I'll see you guys next time.